I took out some bread, put it in the toaster. I got some peanut butter and I got some jelly. After that I put some butter on it. And then I gave my sister a piece. She told me it was really good. I said I made it by myself. My mom wanted my last piece. I said okay, but I'm gonna have to make other people some. I put it in the toaster, got out the bread, toasted jam.